Bengal Gazette. It is published by James Augustus Haiki, and first Hindi newspaper started in India. Uh, Udant Martand. It is published by Pandit Jugal Kishore Shukla. A newspaper is a very important in our daily life because it's provides latest news information and general knowledge information about the world. Reading newspaper improve your English vocabulary and new words and strengthen your grammar.
Now I'm going to tell about the newspaper. A beautiful quotation. The समाचार पत्र जिसे हम अखबार के नाम से जानते हैं, ये एक कागज का टुकड़ा नहीं बल्कि हमें दुनिया भर की जरूरी खबरों से जोड़ के रखता है, बल्कि ज्ञान, विचार, समाचार, ये सारी चीजें हमें इजीली प्रोवाइड करता है. Newspaper are the powerful means of the communication. They are the main source of communications. Newspaper is the most famous in the world, and they four newspaper in the world. They many countries are famous about the newspaper, like Vampire Simban and the Asian Simban. They both are famous in Japan, and the third is the USA Today in USA, and the fourth is Dainik Bhaskar in India. They both are very famous in the world, and you can also search the like jobs. You don't have any jobs, then you can search and read the more and more newspaper and gain your knowledge and informations. And newspaper has many language like English, Hindi, Urdu, and the three languages very famous in the world. All persons using the most and most this language is very using. And the newspaper, the full form in earlier time, new world information and communications order, and in present time the newspaper is the full form north, east, west, south. And there are many variety in India like Hindustan, Dainik Jagran, Dainik Bhaskar, and the Amar Ujala. They four newspaper in your grandfather, your grandmother is like this because it's very old and it's very good about the news knowledge.
Due to newspaper, you can easily get all information in our country and other country. With the help of newspaper, you get more information just like politics, sports, business, and many more information. There are many types of newspaper available in market, just like Hindi newspaper, English newspaper, uh, Urdu newspaper, Marathi newspaper. Hindi newspaper edition is just like Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala, Hindustan, etc. English newspaper is the Hindu.
Newspaper contains varied type information, just like topic are politics, business, entertainment, etc. Newspaper spread information among various people. So many people read newspaper along with breakfast. In the front page of newspaper, it contains among the what is happening in across our country. In the second page of newspaper, it contains what remaining news, and all the rest pages it contains what is happening in our local city. And the last page of newspaper, it contains international news. So many people every day read newspaper. They want to know what is happening in our local cities, what is happening in our country, as well as international level. So many people are looking for job. They can easily go through the paper. They search the job, and there are so many job vacancies are available. They apply and easily get the job. And so many people, so many children, people are curious about to know what is happening in sports area as well entertainment. They can easily read newspaper and get to know about what is happening in sports. and entertainment. So many entertainment news are available in the newspaper also contain politics, cartoon, editorial columns, opinion of so many famous personalities, what is going right about society or not.
Newspaper is an important part of our life. Newspaper is a great source of knowledge. Newspaper is a great source of entertainment, just like game, movie, newspaper. In market, many types newspaper available, just like Dainik Jagran, Dainik Bhaskar, Hindustan, Amar Ujala, all language available newspaper, just like Hindi, English, Urdu, Marathi, Punjabi. Newspaper provide us knowledge of job. There are many types of information, just like UPSC, Army, UPP, etc. Newspaper provide us knowledge of politics. Newspaper provide us knowledge of business. There are many types business, private and government company. There are many types knowledge of sports, just like cricket, volleyball, hockey. There are many types knowledge of current affair. Current affair many exam important, just like UPP, Army, etc.